Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain with Blogger. So let's get started. So here is our Namecheap domain and we are going to connect this domain with our Blogger account. So here is our blog and now we are going to connect this domain with our blog. So from our Blogger dashboard we are going to click on settings and from here we are going to scroll down to publishing section. So here it is. And after that we are going to click on custom domain. So now we are going to enter our custom domain name here with www, and after that we are going to click on save. So now to verify our domain we are going to enter these records on our Namecheap domain. So please do not close this pop-up window until you save the records in your Namecheap domain. And now we will go to our Namecheap account and next to our domain name we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on it and it will show us all the domain settings. Make sure that name servers are set to Namecheap basic DNS, and after that from the top we are going to click on advanced DNS. And now we will copy the records from blogger.com and we will add them here. So now from here we are going to scroll down and after that we are going to click on add new record, and from the drop down we are going to select CNAME record. So here it is. And now for the host value we will go back to Blogger. So we will use this value www as a host value. So I am copied from here and we will paste it here. After that we will copy the target value. So here it is ghs.google.com. So I am going to copy it from here and then I will paste it here, and after that I am going to click on save changes. So now our CNAME record is added, and after that we will add one more CNAME record. So I will click on add new record and from here I am going to click on CNAME record, and now we will go to Blogger. And for the host we will copy this value and go back to our Namecheap and we will paste it here, and for the target we will copy this value, destination one, and now we will paste it here, and after that I will click on save changes. After that I will go back to blogger.com and from here I am going to click on save, as we have added both the values to our Namecheap account. So as you can see that our custom domain name is added to our Blogger account, and from here we are going to turn it on redirect domain, and now our default Blogger domain will be redirected to our custom domain. So now if I visit my default Blogger domain, so if I copy and paste it here, and here you can see that it is redirected to our custom domain name, but it is showing an error. But don't worry, it will take half an hour to hour and after that it will be fixed. So this is how you can connect Namecheap domain with Blogger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe.